In this video, I'll show you how to paint this acrylic pour tree ring painting. From mixing and layering your paints, preparing your canvas, and finally how to use silicone tools to speed up your cleaning process. If you like these tips and would like some more, please like and subscribe. Welcome to Artist Unlocked. Artist Unlocked is an art tutorial YouTube channel inspiring you to create your own artwork you want to exhibit, so you can achieve Artist Unlocked. Please like, subscribe and comment for more content. Let's get back to the video. The colours I'll be using for the tutorial are Liquitex Basic Titanium White, Liquitex Basic Primary Yellow, Liquitex Basic Dioxazine Purple, and Liquitex Pouring Medium Gloss. There will be a full list of materials in the description. Just let you know, this video is not sponsored. Some of the product links in the description are affiliative links. This means if you buy a product, I will receive a small commission. To cut down on air bubbles in the finished painting, place your paints and pouring medium in a container with hot water for 15 minutes. When layering your paints, the first paint you pour into your cup will be the last out. Pour your paints into the main container closest to the side you'll eventually pour from. This will help your paint mix better. Carry on this process until all your paint has been added to the main container. To avoid air bubbles, leave your cup standing in hot water for 15 minutes. Preparing your canvas. Support your canvas by placing supports in each of the four corners. Supports must be all the same size, for instance paper cups. For my tutorial I'll be using Lego bricks. Now lay down a slightly smaller canvas, so your main canvas is placed on top, it will get more support. Wrap your smaller canvas in cling film so it can be reused. Place your canvas in the centre of a silicone mat with a 2 cm border. Use pegs to make a box around the canvas. Now when you pour and tilt your canvas, you won't lose paint over the edges of the canvas. Start to pour your paint in the middle of the canvas. When you feel you have enough paint on the canvas, start tilting your canvas to each four corners until your canvas is completely covered in paint. Use your finger or stir sticks to touch up areas you might have missed, like the corners. Use your finger or stir stick to remove excess paint underneath the canvas to stop your paint being pulled over the edge. Repeat this process for every 10 minutes until your painting stops dripping. Use a heat gun over your canvas for a couple of seconds to get rid of excess air bubbles. Your painting will be touch dry within 24 to 72 hours. and be cured from 1 week to 2 weeks. If you want to paint another painting, wait until your painting is touch dry, then you can move it to another location. But make sure your painting is laid flat or the paint could run off the sides of the canvas. Do not pour your leftover paint down the sink, because when acrylic paint dries, it could clog up your drains. You could leave your mixing cup to dry and then throw away, but over time this could cost you a lot of money and also is bad for the environment. A better solution is to use a silicone measuring cup for mixing your paints. Silicone has non-stick properties, so when acrylic paint dries on it, it will peel off easily. How to clean your silicone measuring and mixing cup. Leave your stir stick in a corner of your measuring cup and leave for a couple of hours or the next day for the paint to fully dry. Squeeze and rotate your cup and your paint will start to peel from the edges. When most of the paint has been loosened, pull on the stir stick and this should remove most of the acrylic paint. How to clean your silicone mat. Roll your silicone mat horizontally and then vertically. This will loosen the paint from the mat. Now peel the rest of the paint off the silicone mat. To finish off cleaning your silicone mat, use Windex. Windex is a glass cleaner. It contains ammonia which helps dissolve acrylic paint. Please read the instructions carefully when applying. Here is the finished acrylic pour tree ring painting. I really like how the colours subtly blend into each other. Please tell me in the comments what you think of it. Questions for the day. Do you use silicone tools as part of your cleaning process? What is your cleaning process when using acrylic paint? What other acrylic pour techniques would you like me to cover? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked my video, please like, subscribe and comment for more content. Artists Unlocked, inspiring you to create your own artwork you want to exhibit, so you can achieve Artists Unlocked.